Are you craving a whiskey sour but you're trying to stay away from alcohol? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate a non-alcoholic whiskey sour that you are going to love. So stay with me. Okay, so for our non-alcoholic rendition of the classic whiskey sour, I'm going to be using Gnista Barreled Oak and Lyre's Scottish malt. The reason for the split is because the Gnista is very sweet and raisiny and oaky, lovely flavors, but the Lyre's, right off the nose, it gives you a really strong whiskey feel, and there's a little bit of smokiness, and I think it's going to really add to the complexity of our mocktail. So we're going to start by icing our tin. We're going to add 1 ounce of our Gnista, and then 1 ounce of our Lyre's Scottish malt. It's a Scotch mimic, but it's going to work really well with this. And then we're going to add just about 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. We really don't need too much. The Gnista has a little bit of sweetness also. And then 3/4 ounce fresh squeezed lemon juice. And then I'm going to add about 2 ounces, 2.5 ounces of pre-whipped, pre-froth aquafaba. So all you have to do is take your aquafaba. If you're unfamiliar with aquafaba or how to prepare it, check this little short video out here and that'll show you how aquafaba is prepared. But it's a substitute for egg whites and it helps the drink have a creamy frothiness. And I frothed it with a handheld frother beforehand. That takes a little bit of the work out of my arm, but it also creates a nice foam, a creamy texture that's really going to stand up in the drink. So we're just going to give that a really good shake. And I like my whiskey sours on the rocks. You can do these up as well. A lot of the times when you're using aquafaba, you're going to do a dry shake to break up that protein. But I did that work already by frothing up our aquafaba. So go ahead and give that a dirty pour. Ooh, it's so foamy. I don't want to splash any ice, so I'm going to strain the rest. I can smell, it smells so good. When you have those aromatics, that's half the experience, especially in a mocktail. Look how beautiful that foam is. Goodness. Okay, and then we're going to garnish it with a lemon wheel and a pink cherry. And there you have it, a beautiful, delicious whiskey sour. Let's give that a taste. Put a straw in there so I don't end up with a whiskey sour mustache. That's it. Oh my gosh. So good. The combination of these two is perfect. I am missing nothing. This is wonderful. I hope that you enjoyed this. If you did, please subscribe. Please check out these videos here, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.